If you're serious about building your business with Kajabi, then Kajabi Hero Live is an offline in-person event and one not to be missed if you're looking for that next step in your online business. In this video, I'm going to showcase some of the learnings from a few Kajabi Hero Lives, going all the way back to the very first Kajabi Live event, which was Kajabi Impact Summit in California. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. Right off the bat, I am a Kajabi Hero and I am a Kajabi partner. Before I dive into the training of this video, I first of all want to make you an offer. As I am a partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial of this platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin at no cost to you. You can simply head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, have a look at the awesome bonuses on this landing page before you click through and start your free 30-day trial with this platform. And yes, this is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you choose to go over those 30 days and use Kajabi for your online business. But as a thank you for using my link and opening up your Kajabi account, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. It's a program that I've developed. If I were to hit the reset button or unbox a new Kajabi account tomorrow, what I would do first, second, third, and fourth to set it up for scale. And if you continue to use Kajabi after those 30 days and love it like I do, like I think you will, as a second thank you for me for using my link, I'm going to automate you another program. It's Kajabi sales page templates. Just simply forward me your receipt as a paying customer, and I'm going to give you access to another program. You can simply download these sales page templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi account. These are the exact templates that I use in my online business today. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the other bonuses that I'm offering on this landing page, and I wish you all the best with your Kajabi journey. So let's dive straight on over into the training. So here we are inside my desktop, and a little bit of a backstory. Kajabi Hero Live is the current live Kajabi event, in-person event, but it's been preceded with a few Kajabi Hero Lives, but the very first Kajabi Live, if you like, was called Impact Summit, and this was 2019. So I've just Googled Impact Summit, and on the Kajabi site, there's a blog post. This is one of the founders, Kenny. This was his opening address, keynote presentation. You can search a lot of this on YouTube or on Kajabi, and you'll see some of the content here. So this was the very first. Kajabi's been around for 10 plus years, but this was the very first live event. They wanted to get it just right. They waited a long time to actually get this live event in Southern California. I attended this. It was a fantastic event, no pitch event, just massive value. It was a 3-day event in Irvine in California. So you can read all about it here. Brendan Bouchard was there. There were a lot of good speakers. Again, another blog. This is like part 2. This is about the sort of future of Kajabi and the future of the creator economy as it was back then. You can just Google it, read about it, and you can read about it in the Kajabi blogs. But then COVID happened, so there wasn't a live event from Kajabi for the next few years, and then they rebranded it into Kajabi Hero Live because it's all about the hero. So anyone who has made over $1,000 on the Kajabi platform is named a hero. So then they rebranded their whole live event as Kajabi Hero Live. So then the first one of these Kajabi Hero Lives was in Austin, Texas, a couple of years ago now as time of this recording. But this is the next one they did. So the year after that, October last year. So I'm in 2025 now at the time of this recording. So this was 2024 October, and this was in LA. So this is the landing page. You can see here tickets are sold out. So this is obviously not a current landing page, but it gives you an idea of what Kajabi Hero Live is all about. And yeah, you can actually see a quote from me. This is not obviously a picture of me, but there's a quote from me here and some other people who attended this event. So I attended this one, and then I've attended all of them. And if you are serious about growing your business on Kajabi and leaning into Kajabi, these events are priceless. Like, just to meet people who are doing the same thing and share best practice and share your knowledge, it is an amazing event to attend. So I can't recommend these events enough if you are keen to grow your business using Kajabi. So this is the new sort of Kajabi branding. As you can see, like the old Impact Summit was on the old Kajabi branding. So anything you see here with the new branding, this has been the last year, 18 months. So this is what they delivered, and they give you replays. If you attend the live event, they give you replays, and they also use a Kajabi community, so you can actually communicate whilst you're at the event. It's all online community, but in-person events as well with this event. So here you've got all the replays. So if you did attend, I can watch all of these. This is from 2024, as we're now in 2025, but I'm still awaiting the next dates. They are planning, so I understand, to host another one in October 2025, but nothing is out just yet. So yeah, you can dive into any of these replays or any of the keynotes from the CEO currently of Kajabi, and then this is what the community looked like. So they do a really good job of fostering community around these live events. It's great to foster live community, but then there's the online community as well, so you can actually chat and engage and understand where all the different things are happening within the live event. So if you're serious, like I say, about building your business on Kajabi, Kajabi Hero Live is a must-attend live in-person event. So there we have it. Hopefully you've enjoyed that training and you've learned something, and more importantly, you can actually take action and implement something that you have learned today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi if you haven't already opened up your free account. But if you have any questions about this training, just comment down below. I will get back to you. Hopefully this video has provided you with some value, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.